Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oats juice for weight loss. This simple yet powerful drink can be a fantastic addition to your daily routine, offering numerous benefits beyond just shedding pounds. Oats juice helps you feel satisfied, reducing the urge to snack unnecessarily throughout the day. It's packed with essential nutrients and fiber, supporting a healthy metabolism and contributing to your overall well-being. Let's dive into how you can easily prepare this beneficial beverage at home. Gathering your ingredients is the first step to creating this nutritious juice. You'll need 1 cup of good quality rolled oats. Avoid the instant kind as they are often processed differently. For blending, have 2 cups of filtered water ready. If you prefer a touch of sweetness, a small amount, perhaps 1 teaspoon, of natural honey or maple syrup can be added. A pinch of cinnamon is also a wonderful addition, enhancing flavor and offering extra health advantages. Preparing your oats juice is straightforward. Begin by soaking 1 cup of rolled oats in 2 cups of water for a minimum of 4 hours, or even overnight. This softens the oats and makes them easier to blend. Next, drain the soaked oats and give them a good rinse under cold, running water. Then, combine the rinsed oats with 2 fresh cups of filtered water in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth, about 1 to 2 minutes. For the best weight loss results, aim to drink 1 glass of your freshly made oats juice every day. Many find it most effective when consumed in the morning, before breakfast, to kickstart their metabolism. Consistency is key, so make it a regular part of your healthy eating plan. If you have any juice left over, store it in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Remember, this juice works best alongside a balanced diet and an active lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.